Este 15 de agosto, el Canal de Panamá celebra 111 años desde su inauguración en 1914, de los cuales 25 años su administración ha estado en manos panameñas. Pero, ¿cuál ha sido este logro más importante en la vía interoceánica?
Pero lo más importante es que los panameños estemos convencidos de que podemos aspirar a hacer cosas grandes y no sentirnos amenazados por lo que pasa afuera, por lo que digan otros.
El administrador del Canal de Panamá señaló que el crecimiento de la vía acuática es el reto que deben enfrentar.
Pero el tema de crecimiento del Canal de Panamá es el reto callado que tenemos que enfrentar hacia adelante, y es por eso que estamos viendo otras alternativas para mover la carga a través del Istmo de Panamá y generar mayor valor al país.
Desde el año 2000, el Canal de Panamá ha aportado en forma directa al Tesoro Nacional más de 13.300 millones de balboas, brindando sostenibilidad financiera.
The two world leaders have touched down here in Anchorage, Alaska, and this summit is already off to a peculiar start. President Putin joining Trump inside of his limousine, a rare move for a U.S. adversary. Now, even though this meeting has expanded to include advisors, this moment is still a one-on-one moment for the two presidents. As Russian missile strikes continue Friday in Ukraine, the world is watching two leaders come together in Anchorage, Alaska, hoping their meeting can bring an end to the violence.
We get along. There's a good respect level on both sides, and I think, something's going to come of it.
Speaking from Air Force One en route to the summit, President Donald Trump said they will discuss the Russian-occupied territory, but he is not in a position to agree to any territorial swaps between Russia and Ukraine.
I'm not here to negotiate for Ukraine. I'm here to get them at a table.
Trump has threatened Russia with, quote, very severe consequences if their president, Vladimir Putin, doesn't agree to end the war. Notably absent from the summit, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky.
Putin is determined only to present a meeting with America as his personal victory.
If the summit goes well, Trump has suggested organizing a trilateral meeting with Zelensky and Putin.
I think that it is most likely that Putin will recognize that he's in a bit of a difficult position.
Less optimistic, the people of Ukraine, weary from more than 3 years of war with their neighbor.
I think these will just be empty promises.
I don't expect anything. First, because Trump's position changes faster than he can talk about it.
I don't know what the negotiations will give me. I want peace and quiet. That's the most important thing.
President Zelensky said he is counting on America during this summit. He's describing it as a high-stakes one and a possible pathway to a trilateral meeting down the line.